like gang, it's your boy, it's your homie, it's your... Finish that, man. Hey, bruh, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I was gonna do this yesterday night, but after my Steelers lost the way they did, bruh, I was in a terrible mood. Y'all finna experience this all season long. When my team lose, I'm not doing reactions. I'm sorry. Bro, y'all better be glad I'm on the road to 1 million, because I wouldn't drop no reactions today. But I can't let y'all down, man. I love my supporters. But I gotta give y'all this one right here, man. My boy Stormzy dropped a banger. Bro, it's called Sound of the Skeng. Now, if y'all don't know what a Skeng, I say Skeng. If it's Skeng, I don't care. I say Skeng, but I don't even say that. I say gun. But that's what it is. It's a gun, man. Sound of the gun. Sounds of the gun. So we finna check this out. It looked like a very creative video with the thumbnail. And y'all know Stormzy never disappoint. Stormzy is big he's huge in the UK and he's big in the US. Stormzy is global with this thing, man. So a lot of Americans already gonna know who he is, man. We finna check this out. Let's get it. The education. Ain't no way y'all got Stormzy out there Adidas track fit. Bruh, ain't no way. Bruh, I swear every video I react to of Stormzy, if he ain't got on all black, he got on the Adidas tracksuit, bruh. Every time. I thought wasn't he sponsored by Adidas or some shit? These boys don't got Stormzy outside of a Adidas track fit. He got the shorts on. Bro, I knew it was too good to be true. Where is he at right here? My man is on top of a roof with some fake grass and some... Bro, that's tough right here. I knew it was too good to be true.
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit, every single year I Merky. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause it's like a bitch, I think I'ma make it look like.
Oh, you want bro? I don't care who you is. I don't care what kind of storm you is, bro. Bro, you ain't slapping me, even for a video. I don't get, bro. That's tough. And he got the little kid stealing for him. Man, that's crazy.
Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause if it's like a bitch, I think I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school Mac just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest. I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man like I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Just love begging it too much.
Hey, Stormzy talking this shit, coach. Slow it down, man. Slow it down. Hold up, man. Stormzy said, I know the truth hurts. But name somebody this consistent, bro. Name somebody doing it like me, man. He said they copying my flow. He said I switch modes and reverse it. Man, come on, man. Hold on, stop playing with Stormzy, man.
Difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. But it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up fat.
Hold on. He said you man love Americans too much. Hold up.
Please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do.
Hey, what he talking about, bro? exactly what he talking about. He talking about like it's a lot of UK artists. They want to get big. They want to get big over here. They want to be big in America more than they want to be big in their own country. Stormzy letting y'all know you got to take over in your own country first. Stop worrying about the Americans' approval, man. I know I'm an American, but bro, I got British ties, man. Stop playing. Hold up.
Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. The most, but it's never been too much. The coast and I never get moved up. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude boy, you do the maths. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little
bro, how much y'all paid Stormzy to take him out the bro? Y'all got my guy doing rich guy stuff. Bro, I never do this a day in my life right here. You will never see me with no tweezers. I don't care how rich I am. They got Stormzy teaching out here. He a teacher. Imagine you walk in your classroom and Stormzy big tall ass standing in there. Tell me some hashtag Merky.
I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. It's my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you're pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Mr. Skeng's got the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point.
The computer warriors, man. The internet gangsters, man. The internet gangsters, man. Stormzy, you better not, bruh. Bruh, you better not say nothing about me, bruh. I'm sorry. You better not say nothing about me, bruh. He said, this how the trolls be, though. He was like, this guy overrated.
Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. You're posing your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't think the president flips his joint. Niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Hey, Stormzy wants somebody to try him so bad, bro. My man said, I know my two hands work. He said, I got big dogs. By the way, he said, I'm bigger in person. Stop playing. Stormzy wanted to try him so bad, he said he moved foul with the pen. He said he can kill you physically and lyrically. Like, stop playing. Come on, man. That's a big ass coat. Man, bro, that's a banger. Hashtag Merky Records, man. Stop, man. Stormzy, yo. This is why Stormzy will always be on top over there, man. This is why people love Stormzy right here. He was gone for a long time, for 1 minute. He was gone for a long time. But obviously, he was over there making a bag, whatever he was doing. He said, I don't win they got the bag. Now y'all niggas think I'm soft. Hey, stop playing. Let me remind y'all who I am real quick. That's what that, bro, come on, man. The creativity of the video, man. They got Stormzy to wear other shit. Man, that's a banger, man. This finna blow up. It already blew up. I think it got like 2 million in a day. Man, that's crazy, man. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about Stormzy's new track, Sounds of the Skeng. Man, I know my two hands work too. Y'all better start playing with me. Let's get it.